If you want to support healthy circulation and protect your cells naturally, please watch this carefully. Today, we are talking about one of the most ancient and widely enjoyed fruits in the world. Grapes, often appreciated for their sweetness and refreshing taste. But grapes contain far more than natural sugar. They are rich in plant compounds known as polyphenols, including a powerful antioxidant called resveratrol. Resveratrol has attracted significant attention in nutritional research because of its potential role in supporting cardiovascular health. Healthy circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. When blood flow remains balanced and efficient, the brain, muscles, and organs receive the support they need to function properly. The natural antioxidants found in grapes help protect cells from oxidative stress, a process that gradually affects tissues over time. Another quiet benefit of grapes is their contribution to vascular health. Some studies suggest that the polyphenols in grapes may help support the flexibility of blood vessels. As part of a balanced diet, flexible blood vessels allow blood to move more smoothly through the body. Grapes also contain vitamin C and potassium, both of which contribute to maintaining internal balance. In addition, their high water content makes them a refreshing fruit that contributes to daily hydration. Preparation is simple. Fresh grapes can be enjoyed as a snack, added to salads, or combined with yogurt and other whole foods. As always, balance matters. Grapes are naturally sweet, so moderate portions are generally the best approach. Grapes are not a miracle cure. They do not replace medical care. Their strength lies in consistency. When included regularly as part of a balanced diet, grapes can contribute to circulation support and long-term cellular protection. Sometimes, the smallest fruits contain some of the most powerful natural compounds. If you found this explanation helpful, and you enjoy calm, science-based discussions about everyday nutrition, please consider subscribing to our channel. And if you liked this video, a simple like helps more people discover reliable and balanced health information. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.